So we got Celine right here with what? Lego Friends. Lego Friends. Exactly, Celine. We have Lego Friends. All right, Celine. So are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you happy? So we're gonna do the unboxing of this one. So let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, let's cut them. Don't cut the Legos.
You gotta be careful with the scissors.
Yay. Okay, that's it. Build the dollies.
And we got instructions here. You're gonna follow instructions, right?
Yeah.
Celine, as well. All right.
This is a map.
It's like Dora, right? She has a map.
Yeah.
Like Dora the Explorer.
Yeah, because she has a monkey. Then after, the hair goes here. Here she is.
There we go. I think you have it. You have it right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Don't move it. Don't move it. Perfect. So I can actually focus a little bit on here. Perfect. Thank you, Celine.
Okay, and let's get to the extensions.
You mapa?
Yeah. We need a light blue. And then we need this right here. Okay. And then put these two here. And then now put these. Look at it. Put this right here. The other one right here. So here we go. Let me just get it ready set. So this is how we do it.